In this video, I'm going to show you how KrisAI saves you a ton of time using our HyperDrive Prefills. So inside of the KrisAI dashboard, under the Account menu, you click on Edit My Profile, and if you scroll down, you'll see these three fields right here called the HyperDrive Prefills. You put in your business name, your industry, and then any content that you might want KrisAI to auto-populate for you in some of the tools that we have. So for example, you can put in a sale that you're currently promoting, or maybe some kind of content that you typically want to produce content about. You can also include common calls to action, such as visit our website or call us at, and your phone number. Usually KrisAI will pick that up and include that in the copy that it outputs. So for example, I've got KrisAI copywriting, and then I've got this content right here in the content prefill field. Once you have all three of those fields filled out, you want to go ahead and click the Save Changes button. Now I'm going to go into one of our tools and show you how those fields are pre-filled. So I went into our Facebook tool, and as you can see, it's automatically pre-filled with the business name, the industry, and the content that we want the AI generator to write for a Facebook post. If you click Generate Now, it'll begin generating content. So literally, with those fields pre-filled, you're basically one click away from creating content. If you don't have an account yet, go to KrisAI.com. Thanks.